boys and girls. Let's take a look at our handwriting today. Today, we get to make the letter I, the lowercase I. And again, if you look, you can see that our lowercase I is a small letter. That means it's in between the lines, but it has that dot right on top. So that comes above the line. Are you ready to work on one? All right. So when we start at the top. Down, bump, dot. That's all there's to it. Are you ready to try? Let's do one. All right, before we even start, there's the capital that we've already practiced. It's a tall letter, and it does look different than the lowercase I. All right, so today we're making the lowercase one. So we start at the top, down, bump, dot. I's are a lot of fun to make. Let's keep going. Down, bump. When I say bump, that means we're bumping on the line and we're staying there. All right, and then you put your dot on top. Make sure there's a space there, okay? And it's just a dot, it's not a circle, okay? Down, bump, dot. Down, bump, dot. Down, bump, dot. Down, bump, dot. Very good, boys and girls. Let's keep going. Do you notice I'm using my other hand to hold on to the book? And I'm going slow and I'm in control. Down, bump, dot. Down, bump, dot. Okay, now I'm going to go over here and make my very own without any help. Remember, it's a small letter between the lines. Down, bump, dot. Great job. I think I did a very nice job, so I'm going to give myself a check, and I think that this I is the one I'm most proud of. And then I makes that I sound, like for insects. And there's insects is another name for bugs, and we have got some different insects down here. All right, let's continue. We're going to work on the E also. All right, this one's a little bit more tricky because you have to start in the middle of the two lines. All right, so this one you're not starting at the top. You're starting in the middle of those two lines. So you're going to start with a dot, then little line, and then you go up and around, stop. Okay, so watch me make one. Okay, again, before we start, there's the capital E that we've already practiced and you've done a great job with. All right, and the lowercase e really doesn't look anything like the uppercase, does it? All right, so when we make it, we start in the middle. Little line, up and around. Make sure it stays in between the two lines, okay? Now watch me do one right here. Start at the dot, straight line, then up, around, and stop. You don't want to close it, okay? Take your time with this. This is a tough letter, and we want you to be making it correctly, all right? Here we go again. Little line, up, around, stop. Okay, keep going. We're right at that dot. Little line, up, around, stop. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Little line, up, around, stop. Little line, up, around, stop. Good job. Little line, up, around, stop. Okay, let's keep going. You're doing great. Little line, up, around, stop. Okay, now we're going to do one more here, and then we have to make our own. Little line, up, around, stop. Okay, now we get to make our own. Are you ready? Little line, up, around, stop. Okay, I felt like I did my best work, so I'm going to give myself a check. If your letters are not in between the lines, do not give yourself a check because you did not get it the way it's supposed to. So make sure it's where it needs to be before you give yourself a check. And I think actually my first one that I did here all by myself was my best one. All right, so today I want you to do the letter I. Take a picture and show it to me. And the letter E. Take a picture and show it to me. And remember, the E makes the sound like an elephant. And also, it does make the long E sound. And we'll talk about that later. But we're going to be working really hard on the sound of it. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see that beautiful work of yours.